kill me. Past is hate. And kids you kill. The kids you kill, your future dies. There's no life without a future. These boys look like they don't know what it is shit or this. I'm not gonna lie to you. Most of them are age. They've never seen anything like this before. They are scared to death, and that is dangerous for you. Well, like what? Come up with your hands up. Like that guy?
You're back.